Hi viewers, so today we'll be drawing this electrical circuit which consists of some resistances, IR LED, NPN and PNP transistors, variable resistor, a buzzer and a 9-volt battery. So for circuits we will use layers, and in one layer we will draw the wireframe and in another layer we will add these electronic devices in color form. So now let us draw the wireframe with the help of this line. So click on line command, click anywhere. Because the dimensions are not given, we can take approximate values. Just write here 20, enter. Then here we can just give the value of 30, enter. Again 20, enter. And you would want to close this, so C, enter. Press enter again, start from here. So go in this direction with the value of minus 6.7, enter. And click on this perpendicular intersection. Press enter to get out of the command, press enter to get into the same previous command. And this time track in this negative direction and write minus 6.7, enter. Click on the perpendicular intersection, press enter. Now we will utilize design center because it contains already built-in basic electronic components. So just write DC, enter. In the design center we can see different AutoCAD files, and within that, in the basic electronic, in the block section, we can find these blocks. Now we will add these components one by one. We would need a battery, the speaker icon, NPN, PNP transistor, this diode. Click on close. Now zoom in, we can see these components. Now we have to scale them up, so select them, click on this scale icon, select any base point, and now we can increase the scale. Now give the scale of 10, press enter. Now we would place these components in their respective places, but before that let us explode them, color them, and then place them. So bring them together. Again here we have to draw a rectangle, so click on rectangle, click anywhere, let this be the rectangle. So 1.5 tab 4, enter. Now move them, so M, enter. Move this rectangle, click on this one, select copy, click here, and then click here. Again copy this diode as well, click, and then click again, press escape. Now select all of them and explode them, and now we can see that each object is a separate entity now, right? Let's add a layer, LA, enter. Click on new layer, rename the layer. Let's give the red color to these objects, click on OK, and let's decrease the line width to 0.3. Click on OK, click on OK again. Now select all of these components and then click on this layer option, click on electronic components, click on this property tab and click on by layer. Press escape, and now we can see that these objects have been colored and they are in a separate layer now. Now let's move these objects to their respective places. Click on this battery, first rotate this, click over here, and now click over here. Select this, click on move, click on this point, and then bring it over to this midpoint. Now select this transistor, click on move, click on this endpoint, bring the object over here. Similarly, click on this other transistor, click on move, click on this endpoint, then click over here. Similarly, click on this diode, click on rotate first, click on this endpoint, and then click in this direction. So select this diode, click on move, select this endpoint, and bring it over here. Now remove these lines, press delete, select this buzzer now, click on move, select this midpoint, and then place it over here. Now here we can extend this line as well. We can trace this length. We can also move this line. Now you can select all these objects, click on move, select this base point, and then click. We can increase this value. Let us increase this to 1. Enter. Click on this point, extend. Click on this point and extend. Press escape. Now we would want to copy this, so click on copy, click on this midpoint, place it over here, and also over here. Press escape. You would want to extend this line now. Select these lines and extend them accordingly. Now select these items, press shift, select these lines to deselect them, and click on move this base point and then move it a little bit like 3.3 distance. Press enter. Similarly, select these lines, shift select these two lines to deselect them, then click on move. If this is base point in this side, let us give it the value of 3.3. Enter. Click on these two objects again, press M, enter, click anywhere, and then in this direction give the value of 3.3. Enter. Now extend these two lines. Press escape. Now we have to move this object again. Click on move, select this base point, and then now we have to add these arrows. So select this, click on copy, select this as the base point, bring the cursor over to this diode, and then click, press escape. Similarly, select this arrow type shape, click on move, press the cursor over here, and then over to this place. Similarly, select this object, scale it. This is base point, and now give the value of 0.5. Enter. Now we have to rotate this as well. So click on rotate, click on this base point, give the value of 180. Enter. Now click on this object, click on move. This is base point, and then place it over to the midpoint. Select these lines and remove them. Now we have to add this line. So click on this line, click on this line, move the cursor over to here, click below, and click over here. Select these three lines Click on layer option, click on electronic components. Now all the components, they are almost complete. We have to add circles over here. So click on circle, click on 3 points, 3P, enter. Select this as the circle point, this one as well, and click over here. Again click on circle, write 3P, enter. Click on this point, move the cursor to this direction and click. Select these circles and move them to basic electronic components layer. Now we have to perform some trimming. So for that, write TR, enter. Click on this line, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion. Similarly, we have to click over here and over here. Click over here as well. Press escape. Remove this line segment. Click on line. Click over here. Click over here. Press enter again. Click over here and here. Enter again. Click over here and here. Press enter. Remove this line. Click on this white line. Click on this endpoint and shorten it till this endpoint. Similarly, so click on this line, click on this endpoint and move the cursor towards the endpoint of the red line. Click. Now we have to add these terminals, and for that, now we will draw some donut over these connection points. So click on draw, click on donut. Inner diameter should be 0, press enter. Outer diameter should be 1, enter. Click on this point, this point, this point, this point. Drag this object and click over here, press escape. Now we have to draw a line, so click on line, click on this object, click on this object, press escape. Let's just extend this line till this point, press escape. Now this speaker needs to be scaled up and this battery also needs scaling up. Now select this battery, click on scale, click on this endpoint and write the value of 2, enter. Again de-stretch this line. Similarly, we would want to scale up this speaker or buzzer as well. Click on scale, click on this point and write the value of 2, enter. Again select this line and de-stretch this, press escape. Now bring this line over here and this one over to this point. Now everything looks complete except a donut over here. So click on draw, click on donut, press enter and click over here, press escape. Now here in this circuit we can see that this third line is missing, so we have to remove this in this diagram. So click on this line, press delete. Now the line has been removed. If you want to check the circuit whether if anything is missing or not, we have to click on the layout option, and now we can see that the circuit is complete. In the next video we will discuss how we can add these text inside the circle. If you have any question in design center or related to circuits, you can always let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.